Come on, baby girl. Come get it. Good job. Come on. You got it. You're getting tired, huh? We've been playing for a while. Here's your piano. Come on. Come on, good girl. Good job. Good job. Are you going to figure out that red one's a lot closer? Nope. Come on. Good job. Good job. Don't hurt yourself with that piano. Ah, that piano's heavy. It's oddly heavy for a baby toy. Here you go. You got the caterpillar and you got a block. Come on over. Come get him. Look at you going. Good job. Yay. Yay. Hey, Sarah. Did you get your block? Sarah. She's too excited about the prize. Sarah.